Everybody, these are the notes that you need to go ahead and take before you work on vocabulary and the Cold War BrainPop video and questions. These are notes just like normally we would do in class. You don't have a fill in the note blank sheet like we usually do. We thought that would be a little bit difficult going back and forth between the two documents. So you could do a couple of different things. Definitely click through and read through the notes. And then you can jot your own notes down. If you are able to print them, either one of those things would be fine, but you definitely want to have these somewhere so you can go back and access them for things like possible quizzes and stuff like we would do open note quizzes in class, okay? We are in this unit talking about the Cold War. You're gonna, in these slides, see where the Cold War started. Big takeaways is that you see that this is between the United States and the USSR, okay? They had some issues after World War II, and this is gonna go on for quite some time, as you will see in the notes. Again, the notes today are just how these two countries get to the Cold War. The other thing I really want you to pay attention to over this unit is that you understand that a Cold War is cold and that it was never physically fought. So there was a lot of back and forth, a lot of threats made, a lot of things like that going on, but they never actually were on a battlefield fighting each other, okay? So keep that in mind when you're clicking through these. You're going to kind of see after World War II and kind of where the USSR and the United States stood. And then you're going to see some repeat information that we've already talked about in class, especially when it comes to different kinds of governments. Okay, so go ahead and click through, take the notes, and then continue on to your vocabulary and the BrainPop video, which will kind of help explain this more. The next class period, we'll dig a little bit deeper into what the Cold War actually was and how it affected many people's lives. All right, guys, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know.